Hey YouTube, Legend here, welcome back. Today's video we have 3 Pokemon X and Y Steam Siege booster packs. I'll open those up for you. Hopefully you can pull in the Veltal break or the one card I need to complete this set, which is excuse me, the Full Art Steelix EX. The reason these aren't in those cardboard, these came right out of a booster box, so there we go. Okay. Alright, starting off with a Chimchar, Yanma, Mareep, Mantine, Meowth, Anthabomb, Flappy, Fletchender, Reverse Krogunk, and a Yen Mega non-holo rare. Next pack here, Mega Gardevoir. Okay. Hoping to get my hands on some of those tins soon. Everybody seems to be opening up the Battle Heart tins. I had no idea that they released early, but my Target doesn't have them yet. Nosepass, Litleo, Sneasel, Yanma, Apom, Monferno, Canaros, Nidorino, Litleo, and a Volcarona non-holo rare. Okay, Veltal break here. There you go. Oh, I don't know if Alright. Mantine, Kling, Ponyta, Pawniard, Oshawott, Flappy, Drifloon, Pokemon Ranger, a Dregon, that's a reverse rare, it's nice, and a Galvantula, so 2 rares in the pack is nice. But bad luck continues. Hopefully it turns around soon, kind of taking the fun out of making the videos. It's been a pretty bad streak. But thanks guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, I really appreciate it. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye.